kings and queens, how are you all? Welcome to my channel again. Please subscribe. Tell your friends, comment and share my page, please. So on today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I take down this hair due to popular demand. I've gotten like several messages saying to do a video about taking down this hair, so let's do that. So basically, what we do is we cut the hair from the tip. You cut from the tip with the scissors, then you pull. When you pull it, it just goes. You keep pulling. That's all. You just keep doing. Just keep doing that until you get to the end. So we keep going, just keep doing this until you get to the end of the hair. Keep going. Sometimes it gets tangled up, but just take your time and make sure it's not untangle it and just continue. Just remember that we actually just tied this around the hair, so we're loosening it the opposite direction that it was tied in. And when we get towards the end, all you do is just pull it and it comes off just like that, and that's it. Then we comb the hair out. I had to take off the white top off. I had to take the white top off because it's just going to be messy and I don't want my white bird to get all that dirty. So I got this on, and I just wanted to show you guys a new trick because I was loosening the hair and I found out, ooh, that actually works. So what you need to do is, when you grab the hair, just pull and just keep doing that, and before you just keep doing that, and the hair is actually coming off. Bit I'm taking down. It took about 30 minutes. This is what my hair looks like after taking it down. So I'm going to give it a wash and I will show you guys everything I use on my hair. I just finished washing my hair, so because I ran out of aloe vera, so I didn't steam my hair. I usually steam my hair with aloe vera gel. I just apply it on and leave it, wear my shower cap on it for like 30 minutes before washing it off. I'm done washing and blow drying my hair, so I'm just going to comb it out and I will pat it into bun. That's actually my favorite hairstyle. I just like it up and away from my face. And that is basically it. Then my hair care products that I use is, I use this, if you can see it clearly, yeah. Then I use and I use the deep conditioner. You can leave it in as well. Then I use Indian hemp conditioner as well. Then I'm a big fan of coconut oil. I use it for all my edges. So all I do is blend all the cream in Put them all together. Okay, put them all together. Then rub it in. Make sure that I massage my roots. I don't joke with my roots, my edges. I make sure I treat my hair like a baby. So that is just it. And I'm done. I'll comb it again. Comb it out one last time. And I'm done here. All I need to do now is to pack it into bun. Then when I'm done with that, I just put my hair, pull it round, and just go round and round and round. And that is it. So this is my go-to hairstyle on a typical busy day when I haven't made my hair. This is what I do. So what do you all think? Please like and comment and tell me what next you want me to do. Actually, I'm actually having a video making a video on Chloe Ting 2 weeks ab challenge. So that is going to come up very soon. And that aside, I'm also going to talk about my weight loss journey after having my last child. So keep tuned, and always, I'm always very grateful for you all. You all are the most amazing people. I love your comments. I love your questions, and I will not be here filming without you all. So thank you very much, and keep your questions coming. And whatever DIYs you want me to do, maybe like hair, making clothes, just any form of DIY, just send a message and I will definitely attend to it. So don't forget to subscribe. Please always comment and share my page. Thank you. Goodbye and God bless.